I've got to skim off the top part of this, get some of that trash out of there. So I'm going to grip closer to the top because this is a bigger crucible. And if you don't, it'll tip and then you can lose your metal. So we'll pour that one up. I'm going to pour a little bit more in that. There we go. See how that one's kind of drooping down in the center? That's that shrinkage we were talking about. I'll try to bring that one apart. All right, good. That part turned out good. There we go. All right, we can't see that one yet, mainly because the sand is still around it. There we go. So I can see that that one's still good. All right, good. That looks good too. All right, this is the one that I felt like was just way too fat, so it's too thick. I mean, we can grind it down so it's still a functional part, but what I think happened is when they placed it into the mold, they probably moved it a little bit from side to side, or they did that when they took it out. So it got moved somewhere along the way. That made it too thick. This one had a lot of trash down in it. That was that first one I showed you. You see all the pitting? Still functional, still useful. Here's the middle one. That one I had to pry to get this one out. That's one that had the most shrinkage on the sprue. It had a little flaring at the end, so it didn't get closed all the way, but a good functional part. We can see the striations in the print material. So they're all going to be useful, but way less pitting than this one had.